physio and fitness clinic. I just wanted to show you a new piece of equipment that we've got here at the clinic that I've been using for my clients who have lower leg injuries, and in particular people who've had issues in through their feet and their ankles, where we've had mobility as part of the problem and getting that end stage strength in through their feet. So this is called tibialis strengthener. So as you can see, it's got a weight in through here. I've put 1.5 kilos on it, and it wraps around your shoe in through there. So it's quite a simple little machine. And then you place it on the edge of the bench so that your leg is fully supported and you're keeping your knees straight. And then you essentially resist gravity as it's coming down. You can see I'm a little bit shaky with this, and you're coming into a pointed position and then pulling all the way up, and then resisting gravity again on the way down. Okay, so this would be strengthening up my tibialis anterior muscle in particular, but I find it really good for clients who have had chronic issues, so that they've developed stiffness in through the whole foot and ankle complex, and this just helps to build up that end range strength of the tibialis anterior, so that clients can start to get that spring and that resilience in through the joints, through the whole foot, so that they can start to functionally, strike the ground better when they're walking or running, and so forth. So very good for people who've had chronic issues. Once we've done a few in through the tibialis anterior, we can then roll and do the inside muscles, so the tib post in particular, so you're curling inwards, and then again, the focus is on control against gravity, okay, which is where you're going to get the biggest gains with this. And it's really something that's very hard to mimic with bands, because you'll always have the control from the band helping you, whereas this one, it's free in the air, so you'll really often be able to feel the difference and see the difference with the foot in a free position on the good side compared with the bad side. Okay, and the final one for this, and this is great for people who've had chronic ankle issues. Okay, so you're doing exactly the same thing, pointing the foot down and externally rotating. Okay, so really good for those chronic ankle injuries that are kind of just grumbling around in the background. You've done your squats, you've done your calf raises till the cows come home, but this will be really good to start to get that end range strengthening.